Hey, what's up friends? Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove text from any image with AI in Canva, right? So if you'll find this useful, guys, go ahead and give this video a like, and if you're seeing the channel for the first time, feel free to subscribe to the channel so that you'll never miss out when I release videos just like this one. Now let's jump in. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply open up my browser here. Here I have Canva, but let me go to Google. And I'm gonna simply type image with text, right? So I'm gonna just use something random. So let's go to images. And let's see which image we can use. Let's use this one, for example, the one with the wildlife. I'm gonna download this image. I know that you can see that I have the image downloaded. Now let me head back over to Canva. And I'm going to simply go ahead and say create a design, and let me go ahead and import the file. Here you can see the file or the image that I've downloaded. Let me go ahead and open that or insert it, and let's go ahead and say using a design, and let's go ahead and click edit photo, and let's click using a design, and this will open it for us. Now once the image is open in your Canva, here you want to go ahead and click the image and click edit photo. And here you have the option that says grab text. So you want to click on this and click grab text and allow the AI to grab the text out of the image. This will take a moment. And once this is done, guys, you now see that I can grab the image and I can do whatever I want with it. I can even change the text of the image, or I can delete it entirely. It's totally up to you. And that's how easy it is, guys, to remove text from any image with AI in Canva. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.